I'm going to give you three things that you should focus on instead of weight loss. And if you focus on these three things, weight loss is going to become inevitable. And the first one, it might sound crazy, but just bear with me. And how do I know this? Well, because I'm also using it myself on my own weight loss journey. Because as you can see, I'm not big, I'm not muscular, I don't even have a six pack, I even have some fat on my belly. So if you are hoping to learn from an expert, I am not your guy. But if you want to learn from someone who is also doing this besides you, then get ready. We are about to dive deep. Focus on increasing your step count because in the long run, it's going to lead to weight loss. Walking more is sustainable as compared to other exercises like running or jogging. Walking is sustainable. That means you can do it for the long run. And walking doesn't give you risk of injury or give you strain on your joints. That's better. And studies show that walking is good for your cardiovascular health. What does cardiovascular mean, bro? Don't worry. Just know that if your cardiovascular health is good, you are healthy. You don't need to know what the meaning is. Just know that walking equals good cardiovascular health, and good cardiovascular health equals good. And the next thing you need to focus on instead of weight loss is to just having the best workouts possible when you go to the gym. Because if you do that, you're going to look forward to the next workout and you look forward to the next, and eventually you have lost weight. And also, when you focus on having the best workouts possible and you do that for a long enough time, you are going to look good and more attractive. There is someone watching this going, having more muscles doesn't make you more attractive, bro. Come on, bro. Simply put, a guy who is muscular, works out, and is in shape is more attractive than a guy who isn't. Prove me wrong. That's why you need to focus on having the best workouts possible. And also, when you focus on having the best workouts possible, eventually it's going to create this new identity in you of being someone who goes to the gym and someone who is healthy. And that is way better than just being someone who is trying to lose weight. Last but not least, the third thing that you need to focus on instead of weight loss is adjusting your workout programs for sustainability. Sustainability means you can do it over the long term. So you should adjust your workout, adjust your plans and your programs to make sure that you can do it for a very, very long time. Because remember, losing weight is going to take a very, very long time. So you should make sure that your workouts are the ones that you can do for a very long time. Not the ones that have been said they burn the most calories or the ones that build the most muscle. No, the ones that you can do over the long term for a very, very long time. That's what you need. And another thing is, you should really try to avoid obvious mistakes or try to avoid mistakes that have already been made before. That's why I made this feature right here showing you the three big mistakes that you should avoid if you want to lose weight, especially if you are skinny fit and you are addicted to junk food. That's the feature right there.